Guys, look at this. So we're unboxing a motorbike here. We thought, okay, it's just another SYM, another new bike for the showroom. And then Fanafuti calls me. He's like, come look at this and look at this. What? This is the all new SYM NH X 125, baby. Look at that color. Oh my word, that's sexy. I'll show you guys a little bit later how it looks. Bye. Are you ready? I'm going to show you the new SYM. Look at this. Boom. Just look at that. That's the new SYM NH X 125 fuel injection, baby. Look at this. There is no, listen to me, there is no 125 on the market that's rounded off all the small little details and everything like these bikes. I promise you that, guys. Just have a look at something. Let me show you this. Look at this inside. Look at how well rounded off it is. It's neat, it's clean, it's LED lights all around. You've got a small little belly plate there. Nice rims on this one. Just look at that bike. That's beautiful. Beautiful. And nice thing, it shows you a gear indicator right there. Shows you this one has got 1 kilometers on. Shows you how much your battery charges. Fuel gauge. And a nice thing, oh, it's the other one. Can't get to it. It's going to show you the time or what the battery charges. You just get this baby into neutral, start it up for you. There we go. Look at that rev counter. Digital display. It's so freaking nice, guys. Look at the lights. Let's put it on bright. LEDs, baby. Let's hope I can hit. Look at that, and I'm gonna hit the start button. Brake switch. How cool is that? It's really spectacular, boys. Hope you guys like this video. There we go. That's all new SYM. Hope you guys enjoy it. Cheerio.